Welcome back to our channel. We are back at Esquisimax and look at what we have here today. We have yet another first in Malaysia project ongoing. So this is going to be the very first Porsche 718 Spyder to be equipped with Akrapovic exhaust in Malaysia. The mechanics are working on removing the stock exhaust system out of the 718 Spyder. Here is what we are going to install on the Spyder. So first of all, we have a titanium slip-on race line muffler, and also we will install this very beautiful carbon fiber rear diffuser with gloss finishing. Here it is. We have removed the stock exhaust out of the Spyder, and this stock exhaust is very heavy and also restrictive on the sound compared to this beautiful Akrapovic titanium exhaust. First of all, the stock system is extremely heavy. It weighs about 15.1 kilograms, while this Akrapovic muffler, the titanium slip-on race line, weighs at about 8.6 kilograms. By installing this titanium slip-on race line alone on the Spyder, it will have around 6.5 kilograms of weight savings. And of course, the Akrapovic slip-on race line exhaust will deliver much better exhaust sound on the flatsix compared to the stock system. Besides the weight reduction, there will also be some slight performance increase, roughly around 6.5 horsepower and 15.8 Newton meters of torque increase by replacing this titanium slip-on race line exhaust alone. The most significant difference between the Akrapovic system versus the stock system will definitely be this titanium tailpipes. So Akrapovic has this extremely beautiful handcrafted titanium tailpipes for the Spyder with the Akrapovic logo on it, versus these stock tailpipes that is oval shape, finished in black color, a lot smaller compared to the Akrapovic tailpipes. To get the maximum weight reduction on the Spyder, this carbon fiber rear diffuser by Akrapovic alone will get you around 1.9 kilograms of weight reduction over this stock plastic rear diffuser. This is a 2019 Porsche 718 Spyder that has a 4-liter naturally aspirated engine and a 6-speed manual transmission under the hood that is capable of pushing out a total of 414 horsepower and 420 Newton meters of torque, and it can rev all the way up to 8,000 RPM. There's no PDK gearbox, but instead a 6-speed manual transmission. Now we'll start up the Spyder and listen to how it sounds from inside the cabin. Now the valves are closed. And we push on the exhaust button to open the valves. And there we have the very first 718 Spyder with Akrapovic exhaust upgrade in Malaysia. Let us know in the comment sections below, how does this Akrapovic exhaust and the carbon rear diffuser looks, and of course, how does this brand new Akrapovic exhaust sounds on the 4-liter naturally aspirated 718 Spyder. Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents.